everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I created this lavender rose gold eyeshadow look today. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this lavender and rose gold eyeshadow look that I created. Don't forget to enter my giveaway that I have up on my channel. You have 1 week after this video is posted. It's 1 week until it is over, so you still have time to enter that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lavender rose gold eyeshadow look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!